guys, welcome back to the vlog. Welcome back to my very dysfunctional YouTube channel, which I barely post. And every single time I start a video, I start complaining about how dysfunctional my YouTube channel is. So anyways, so yesterday we came to the Lake Rua, and you know, just as normal day, we had our action camera, like a GoPro. We were like filming, and what happens, my friend Nazir, he climbs up on the tree to jump, and as soon as he does a backflip, the camera snaps. Here you go, I'll just show you guys a footage of it, and here we go. So this is how it happened, and we dropped the camera under the water. Woohoo! Oh! Where's the camera?
I lost it again.
You lose the camera?
Yeah.
No way! So anyways, so he dropped the camera, and then he had no hope of finding it back, and we were just like, oh man, this is going to be a tough day, because we're about to leave and he just drops it, and we're like, what do we do? You know, we can't let go, because there was a lot of people watching us, and so some of them knew where he dropped the camera. So I was kind of angry about it, and then we couldn't really leave it there, because otherwise, you know, if we didn't take it out, someone else would have taken it out, and then they would have kept it. And it was a really expensive camera as well, so it's pretty much brand new. So after that, we had our luckily we had our goggles on inside the car, so we went to get the goggles, and after a few dives I managed to find it, you know. And here's actually the footage, like I've got it here. So the camera was still recording, even though we dropped it for like 45 minutes or 49 minutes. The camera was still recording, and I managed to get it out, and you can see me get it out. I believe that I was going to get it out, like, I mean, although it is 6 meters deep, like, we tried different variations. I'll actually go show you guys the cross section of what it looks like. Yeah, so this is pretty much what it looks like, and it is pretty steep and it's pretty deep. It's extremely dark and cold. Yeah, so it's pretty dark and cold. And so what happened is that I found the camera, and I knew how I was going to react to it. So I found it, I waved it, and I picked it up, and I made sure that, you know, everybody would see that I got it out. And then the moment I got it out, my friend, I told him that I'm going to drop it back, because it was too easy to find. It was too easy to find, and I told him that tomorrow I'm going to bring my camera, and I'm going to vlog this whole thing out. So that's how it happened. So anyway, so I got the camera out, and he had no idea that I had it as the back of my pocket, because I told him that I dropped it and we had to find it again. So he's kind of pissed off at me, but so this is what I did. I recorded him secretly, and I wanted to get his reaction.
Got him! Got him!
So yeah, anyway, so after that, you know, we were like, so guys, what do we do now? It was too easy to find. Should we do this again? Because last time we lost our camera, and it was pretty fun finding it back, because it was so hard and it's so dark and cold. And so my friend, he chucked the camera without even asking us, or without even, like, you know, like asking us where to throw it and how far to throw it, because it gets really steep, really deep. And yeah, boy, look, Nazir's getting changed. Ladies, hit him up. He's single. What are we gonna do today, bro? We're gonna find the camera, eh?
Find my camera?
Yeah. Anyway, so he chucked it, and we've got no idea where it went and how far it traveled, because obviously, like, he threw it, so the camera must have been traveling sideways, and we have no idea, because there is no current. Luckily, there's no current, but there is a lot of seaweed and other, like, rubbish and grass and stuff like that. So this is gonna be kind of challenging for us, and I hope we find it, because there was a lot of people who saw it there, and they were like, oh yeah, we're gonna get it out. And then I'm like, oh man, if these guys get it out, then they're gonna give it back to us, right? So this is going to be another journey of us trying to find our action camera, our GoPro, and let's see how it goes.
Hey, what are we doing here, bro? What's up?
We're gonna find the camera today.
Oh yeah, the action cam.
Yeah, if we don't find it today,
Yeah.
well, if you don't find it today, it means that somebody has taken it out.
Oh yeah, definitely. Yeah,
Yeah, because I don't know why he would throw it.
It was an expensive camera, so
like, I don't know why he would throw it. You know what I mean? Like,
well, yeah, who?
the guy there. Now the thing is that he threw it away, right?
Yeah.
And he has no idea how deep the water is.
Yeah,
and he has no idea how steep it is. Yeah, he was like, oh, it's only probably 2 meters, stuff like that, you know? So he chucked it. And then he has no idea. It could be 6 meters if we were lucky.
Yeah.
Or it could be even 8 meters.
Hurry up then. Sorry.
Mark. Come on, but go again, hurry up.
I'll show you.
But lucky we got this glasses, so we won't be able to see it. How deep was it? Like, do you reckon like it was around 6 meters?
Right there.
Okay, come.
Probably 6 meters.
Right, follow me.
Go.
Ding!
Oh shit! Yeah, boy!
Oh dear. It was so cold.
Dude, you got it!
Dude, I forgot. Ah, it's recording, it's recording. Oh shit. Should I drop it? It was recording as well.
Yeah, it
It's
is.
recording. Oh. Oh.
First try.
That was good. Oh
Man.
So that was it actually. We just managed to get the mud there. We couldn't see anything until we got up to like, I don't know, like 20 centimeters. We tried like 2 or 3 times, so we're pretty lucky. Like it didn't land on the mud underneath the ground. It only landed like on the seaweed. And when I went down, I could kind of see this white stuff, and I was like, oh, it's could be it. So the moment I touched it and I picked it, and it was still recording. So you guys have seen the footage by now, hopefully. I hope I have. They're not letting me vlog, okay? I know like each year, like a lot of people lose their GoPro stuff with that, and I don't know, the one advice I can give you guys is to keep trying, and try to remember where you dropped it, because to be honest, the only way I think that we found this is because simply because we knew where we dropped it. If we didn't know where we dropped it, we would have like literally wouldn't be able to find it, because honestly it's so dark and you can't even see anything in front of you unless you're like only 20 centimeters away from it. So we knew where we dropped it. The moment we dived, we were pretty much like right beside it, so we were pretty much lucky. So yeah, that's the only advice I can give. Actually, I can't really help anything. I can't really think of anything else. And so just keep trying and try to locate where you dropped it. So yeah, so thank you so much for watching my video. I hope you guys enjoyed it, and I hope it helped. Give me a like, subscribe, comment, and follow me on Instagram. Check me out. I post some cool videos there to do with swimming, diving, and blah blah whatever. Some natural shit. So thank you guys. See ya.